Hi, I'm John Sagun, and I'm a lead instructor at Coding Mind.
So what inspired you to spearhead this project that you have here?
So at Coding Minds, I had the opportunity to work on unique projects, and one of the unique project was working with this drone. I do not have any drone experience, but it was a perfect opportunity for me to learn how to use drones and fly drones, and more importantly, teach our students how to fly and control and program drones.
Mhm. What methods or programming were you using to solve the problem in its most interesting point?
So this project involved designing a drone that was able to pick up trash, and to do that we needed a way to mechanically pick that up and also to identify that. So on this drone we have a flight controller that is being controlled by a Raspberry Pi that controls this servo. So we needed to model and design our own claw and design our own machine learning algorithm to identify trash.
Okay. And what will you do to improve any features or steps of the project?
So for this project, again, because we're building this from scratch, one thing we could definitely do is reduce weight on our drone so that we're able to pick up more trash. So one way we could do that is by removing this Raspberry Pi that's connected to the flight controller using these cables, and we also need to power this Pi separately from the whole drone system using this battery. So one thing we can do to reduce weight is to change the flight controller to this model that allows us to also embed this Raspberry Pi into it. Another thing we could also do by saving that weight, we could also get a more powerful motor so that we could pick up more trash more securely and be able to lift up more trash in terms of the weight reduction we saved. We could able to pick up more trash.